Hi everyone. Today, what we are going to say is we are going to see a utility called K9s. This is a utility which is used for to visualize the Kubernetes cluster. Okay, let's see this Kubernetes cluster. Before that, in order to install the K9s, what you have to do is you can go to the Confluence page under the micro K8s. There is a getting started. This is the page where I have written how to install the K9s also, because it's a simple command, just snap install K9s and just creating a shortcut to it. Okay, once the K9s has been installed, what you have to do is go to your root directory and say, okay, root home directory. Okay, wherever your user is, its home directory, that is cd. Okay, then once you go to that home directory, you have to check for the cube directory. If .cube directory is available, then go inside .cube directory or change directory to the .cube, and inside that you should be having a config file. Okay, this is the config file for the Kubernetes cluster. Okay, once you open this, you can see here it is the YAML configuration for the Kubernetes clusters, and this is the server. This is the local server which I am using. Going forward, you can use uh, the configuration file of the AWS servers also. Okay, once this is available, we can test it whether it is working or not. So kubectl cluster info. Okay, so this will show you this. Okay, if you don't have a kubectl, you have to explicitly install the kubectl. Okay, if you don't have it also, that is fine, because we are going to use K9s. Just keep K9s. uh, Okay, it is starting. Okay, it has already started. You can see here, it is showing that pods for all the namespaces. If you want a specific namespaces, that is for the default namespaces, then just type 3. Okay, then it will show only for the uh, default namespaces. If you want it for a great demo, then just 1. And if you want it for the all, this is the way. Okay, if from here you can see if it is in running states, its IP, node, and everything, and the age also. Okay, if you wanted to see the events, just give describe, that is like D, just type D, then it will go inside. You can see everything. Okay, this is how you can see the pod configurations. Okay, if you want to edit, just you can give E, so it will allow you to edit. Okay, once you edit it, it will be changed. If you want to check the deployments, go here, deploy, and check here. Okay, if you are not sure about the comments, you can check here. Okay, this is to delete, describe, exit, or to check the logs. If you want to check the logs, just give L, and it will start showing the logs. Since it is not there, it's not coming. Let me check for last 30 minutes. Okay, last 30 minutes, this is the logs. Okay, you can check for last 15 minutes, last 3 minutes, last 5 minutes, and like that you can check. Even last 1 hour logs you can check. Okay, if you want to save, then you can also save. It will be saved in the temp directory. Okay, uh, go back, escape button, and if you have a service and if you wanted to port forward it. Okay, uh, these are all the services, and you wanted to port forward it, the port forward the cluster IP, then just see here, shift F is the port forward thing, shift F, and then you can provide the port also. If you wanted the local port to be 3000 and same, then you can give this 3000, or if you want 3001, you can change the port also. Okay, this is how you can use this K9s utilities. You can use this uh, node also. You can check the node. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.